What's up everyone, this is Wayne here. Today I'm doing a talking video on a Stihl BGA 50 battery blower. So I was really surprised this thing got used yesterday because, well, you know, I expect that this machine's been used almost a couple of times, which is, it looks quite nice machine in my opinion, but you know, something like you can see the title. It's got 3 bars in the battery right now because it was got 4 juice, you can see, but it's now it's got the thing got 3 bars in the battery, which is fine in my opinion because, you know, I expect that this machine's been used almost a couple of times, which it's definitely looks on pretty nice machine in my opinion, but this is definitely looks on pretty nice machine in my opinion. But you know what, as you can see, because I expect that this machine's been used almost a couple of times, which is definitely expect this machine, and unless you will definitely be using it on the weekend, the next weekend, so I know this I will be using it the whole weekend, you see, which is definitely looks on pretty nice machine in my opinion. But you know why you can see it, because I expect that this machine's been used almost like a couple of times, you see, which is because you know I expect that this machine's been used almost like a couple of times, you see, which is definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, so you know, definitely be using it on the weekend and next weekend as well, so it just definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, so no expect that this machine been used almost like a couple of times, you see, which is definitely expect that this machine been used almost like every single time a little bit, because you know expect that this machine been used almost like a couple of times, you see, and this blower has been used almost quite a bit because this is a 2025 model, so this thing definitely came out like last year, so you know expect that this machine's been used almost like every single time a little bit, because you know expect that this machine's been used almost like quite a few times, you see, which is definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, but you know something like this much you can see, which is because you know how that this machine been used almost like a couple of times, you see, which is definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, so this thing would definitely be used again not on the weekend or next weekend, so because in my opinion this definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, because you know expect that this machine's been used almost a couple of times, you see, which definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, so it definitely will be using it another weekend or next weekend, so it definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, but it looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, so it definitely looks pretty nice machine in my opinion, so this thing would definitely be using it another weekend or next weekend, so it definitely looks pretty nice looking machine.